Jai Gurudev. All in the name of peace. We lose everything. We lost everything. In the name of peace, few invaders came and they loot and everything, and we have said peace, 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 like that. And few Muslim invaders came, they loot everything in the India, and we have said peace, 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 like that. And few Christian invaders came and they loot everything of India. We were said peace, 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 like that. In the name of peace, India lost everything and we became beggars. There is no comparison between India during Vijayanagar Empire and before that, and after British left India. There is no difference between it. India was 25% of GDP in the world at the time of Vijayanagar Empire, and now and after British Empire it was very poor, not even 2 to 3%, like that. Like that, the countries Germany and Japan, who were totally collapsed after World War II, became number one countries in the world and most developed countries in the world because of war. Because they did World War II, because of that they became the greatest economies in the world. We think only peace do great things. It is highly wrong. War will do so much great things, and war will bring so much harmony in the world, and war is the only solution for India's problems. So we must do war, and we have to do war with the enemies like anything. Then only India will develop like anything. Otherwise, India will suffer like anything, like in past. In the name of peace, we became beggars in the world. All in the name of peace. We have to do war at any cost, and then that war is the only solution for India. All in the name of peace. Once the greatest country in the world became the most impoverished country in the world. That is because of all in the name of peace. We neglect war and we neglect weapons, and we have neglected all protection to the country India, and all people say is peace, peace, peace. Because of that, we have neglected all our protection. Because of that, we neglected our protection. All invaders came and looted everything India has, and we became beggars. Like that, we should not repeat this mistake at any cost. We have to do war with these countries who are trying to loot us, and war is the only solution for development of India. Further details I will tell in further videos. Jai Gurudev.